Hello everyone, welcome to How To channel. Now guys, on today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get followers on Thread. The first thing you want to do is to go into your Thread application. Now when you get here to your Thread application, you want to go to the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Now this is my profile. Now at the top left hand corner of your screen, you're going to tap on followers, and this will be your followers list. Now to get more followers, go to your following, and then you will see others you're following on Instagram that are not following on Thread. This is one of the easiest way you can get followers, because when you follow people on Thread sends a notification to these people that you followed that you are now following them, and they will follow back. This is basically a follow for follow back on Threads. Now I'm just going to tap on see all. Now guys, these are the list of people I follow on Instagram that I'm not following on Threads. Now all I need to do is to tap on follow, and then Thread will notify these people that I followed them on Thread and they can follow me back. Now this is the easiest way you can get followers on your Thread application. Now another way to get followers is by posting content. Now you want to share threads, maybe pictures, videos, and people who are interested in whatever niche that you choose are going to follow you back. Now another way you can get followers is by engaging. Now you want to engage by replying to people, by commenting on people's posts, and people who love what you do or love what you've said will follow you back. Now guys, thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to How To channel. Now I'll see you next time in my next video, subscribers. Bye.